ជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអរគុណច្រើនដែលបានចូលមកទស្សនាវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើជាពិសេសសម្រាប់ដាក់នៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីប្រឡងធ្វើម្ហូបកូរ៉េដែលរៀបចំដោយក្រសួងនិងសមាគមម្ហូបអាហារកូរ៉េហើយដើម្បីឲ្យអ្នករៀបចំកម្មវិធីប្រឡងនេះអាចយល់អ្វីដែលខ្ញុំនិយាយបន្តិចទៀតខ្ញុំនឹងនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស Hello everyone, today's video is a special one dedicated to Play Korean Food Season 2 Challenge. Today I'm making braised roll pork with kimchi. I hope you enjoy the video, so now let's start cooking. In this recipe, I use 1 kilogram of pork belly. And to get rid of pork unpleasant smell, we need to make garlic and ginger paste. I'm using 5 cloves of garlic and a finger size of ginger. You can pound or zest it into a paste. Then put 2 tablespoons of cooking wine or soju and stir it well. After that, pour a mixture into the pork, then wrap the pork with a garlic ginger paste and let it sit while preparing other ingredients. The main character in this recipe is kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional staple food found in every Korean household, and each region in Korea has their own unique kimchi with different ingredients. In this recipe, we need to use a well-fermented kimchi as shown in the video, not a fresh or semi-fermented one. Now for the fun part, we have to roll the pork belly with kimchi. You better use the bigger and longer leaf if you could find one. But mine is a bit short, so I cut the pork into a shorter piece so it can fit in. After done rolling, place the pork roll in a heavy bottom pot. Now for the vegetable, all we need is an onion, some green onion and chili. You can adjust the amount of each vegetable as you want. For the seasoning sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of Korean pepper flake, 1 tablespoon of sugar to cut down the sour taste from kimchi. Then of course I am Cambodian, so fish sauce always goes in. I use 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then stir it well until combined and taste it first. Lastly, we need half tablespoon of Korean pepper paste, or Korean call it gochujang. Normally people don't use gochujang in this recipe, but I do because it helps enhance the flavor and thickens the broth as well. Now let's put the seasoning sauce over kimchi rolls and pour 300 ml of water into the pot. Cover the lid and bring the pot to the stove and cook it on medium heat. When it comes to boil, distribute the sauce over and simmer it on low heat for 30 minutes or until kimchi is soft. And if the water is evaporated too quickly, feel free to add more water, otherwise the bottom part will burn. Now 30 minutes later, after a nice simmering, the pork is beautifully cooked. It's soft and juicy, and the fat rendered from pork belly make kimchi soft and delicious. Now lastly, we have to put our vegetable and simmer it for another 5 minutes. Then we can enjoy our sweet, spicy, savory and sour kimchi braised with hot steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please click like and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time in my next video.